Let's learn the numbers. 1. One cat. 2. Two girls. 3. Three school buses. 4. Four strawberries. 5. Five carrots. 6. Six birds. 7. Seven stars. 8. Eight teddy bears. 9. Nine oranges. 10. 10 cars. 11. 11 bananas. 12. 12 balls. 13. 13 bunnies. 14. 14 sharks. 15. 15 donuts. 16. 16 pencils. 17. 17 ducks. 18. 18 lollipops. 19. 19 apples. 20. 20 sheep. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.